Hello students. In the last class we have seen that how we can construct quadrilateral uniquely, and we have also constructed one quadrilateral of exercise 4.1 question number 1 first part. Now let's construct more quadrilaterals, and today we are going to do three questions. Question number first, second, third and fourth part we will construct. So first part we already constructed in the last video. Now see the second one. Quadrilateral jump JU 3.5. These measurements are given to us. Now we have to first of all make the rough diagram. Then only we'll make fair one. So let's make one quadrilateral. Any one we can make, any measurement. Just without measuring we are just marking it now. 3.5 JU, UM4, MP5, PJ 4.5 and PU. PU is given to us 6.5 cm. So these are the measurements given to us. Now we are going to construct with the help of this rough diagram. So first we'll start with children JU. JU 3.5 and then our point will be P, J to P and U to P. So first point our is P. So after drawing JU, then we will take the arc radius JP 4.5 cm and UP 6.5 cm, so that we will get the point P. Then from point P we will draw an arc radius 5 cm and from U we will draw an arc radius 4 cm, so that they will intersect at M. And in this way our quadrilateral will be completed. So let's start. JU, first one is JU 3.5 cm. So let's draw JU 3.5. This is 3.5. JU, name it 3.5. Now we are going to take compass. So J to P is 4.5. So we'll take arc radius 4.5. So children, this is 4.5. Now take this arc radius 4.5 and draw an arc. Now U to P 6.5. U to P 6.5. So we'll make 6.5. So this is 6.5. Now U to P. Now we'll extend so that it will intersect each other. So we extended this one, and this point is come to be known as, which point it is? P. So we got that point P. I'm writing here P. This point is P. Now join it. J to P and U to P. So we got the first part. Now what we have to construct? P to M and U to M. P to M 5, U to M 4. So P to M first will make 5. So again measure 5. So it is here 5. So from here we'll take, this is 5 cm arc radius. Now U to M 4 cm arc radius. Take 4 cm arc radius now. So this is 4 I have taken. Now this is, we are cutting the previous arc. So we got the next point. Our next point is, this is M. Now we are going to join this U to M. and here also P to M. So we have joined this one also. Now we are going to label each and everything. 3.5 already we have drawn. 6.5 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. So in this way, see, we have constructed a quadrilateral uniquely. Thus, jump is a required quadrilateral. Now we are going to do the second part. Now we are going to construct the third part of it. Third one, parallelogram more we have to make. तो रफ डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रफ डायग्राम, parallelogram. This is rough diagram we have made. Now give the name more, M-O-R-E. What is given to us? OR 6. So OR is 6. RE 4.5. OE 7.5. OE is given to us 7.5. Now children, we know the properties of parallelogram. So we'll write properties of parallelogram. Since we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so therefore what result we'll get with this property? OM equals to RE. OM equals to RE will be equal to 4.5 centimeter each, because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. And one more, ME equals to OR equals to 6 centimeter. So what we got? This 6, so this also 6 centimeter. And this 4.5, so this also 4.5 centimeter. So now children, see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So now we can uniquely construct this one. So let's start constructing this one. Let's start with OR. OR is 6 centimeter. So we'll draw OR 6 centimeter. Take OR 6 centimeter. So this is OR I have made. OR 6. Now our next point we have to draw is M. So O to M is given to us. Or first we'll draw E point. E point we'll draw first. O to E 7.5 and R to E 4.5. Why we have not drawn M first? Because we are not having the only one point we are having. O to M 4.5 only. And E to M is given and E to M we have not drawn. So first we have to make E point. O to E 7.5 and R to E 4.5. So E point is our first point. So let's make 7.5 and 4.5. 7.5 arc radius. First take O to E 7.5. So arc radius 7.5. I have taken 7.5. Now put the pointer on O. This is pointer. This one is called pointer, children. And this is pencil point. And O to E 7.5. So draw OE 7.5. So we have drawn OE 7.5. And R to E 4.5. So now take measurement R to E 4.5. So this is 4.5. So R to E. So we got the first point. This point is E point. Join it now. So this is 4.5. This is 7.5. Now our next point, children, see M. E to M we are having 6. O to M also we are having 4.5. So 6 and 4.5. So first draw an arc radius 6 centimeter. Take ruler. Now 6 centimeter first. So this is 6 centimeter. From E, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. And O to M is 4.5. So we'll draw 4.5. Take again 4.5 arc radius. Measure it. This is 4.5. And cut from here. So we got this point known as M. Now join so that we'll get the parallelogram. So we got the parallelogram completed. This is, label it 6 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. So thus we can write more is the required parallelogram. Clear, children? Now we'll do the fourth and last part of it. Now let's do the fourth part. Rhombus best. Rough diagram again. Rhombus best. Rhombus all sides are equal. We know. So we will make use of this property. Best. B-E-S-T. B 4.5. ET 6. ET 6. Now since again we know that in rhombus all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Therefore, what? Therefore, BE equals to ES equals to ST equals to BT equals to all equals to 4.5 centimeter. All equals to 4.5. This is 4.5. This also 4.5. This also 4.5. So all equals to 4.5. So now let's construct. Now we got, see children, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So we can construct quadrilateral uniquely if 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given to us. So let's construct. Let's start. First of all, let's start with B 4.5. So draw B 4.5. The 4.5 I have taken BE. Name it BE. Now children, see what? Take arc radius first of all T. BT and ET. BT 4.5, ET 6. So take arc radius 4.5 and 6 first. So again take ruler. First measure 4.5. 4.5 this is. Now draw an arc radius 4.5. And E to T 6. Now take arc radius 6 centimeter. So this 6 centimeter. And cut the previous arc. So this point is T point. Name it T. Now T to S, E to S. Second point our is S. T to S, E to S. Both are 4.5 only. So take arc radius 4.5 centimeter again. So this is 4.5. So first one from T, draw from T 4.5, and from E also you have to draw 4.5 only because both are same. So we got the point. Next point is S. So this point is S. Now you join all. First BT, then ET, then join ES, and last one is TS we join. Now ES last. So this rhombus best is completed. BEST rhombus. Label it. And now write. Thus, best is the required rhombus. Clear, children? So, children, you have to construct, then only you come to know your mistakes. So, keep watching, children. Thank you so much.